everyone. So this is our lesson this morning about mixed number. So there are two things that you need to recall in this topic. First is writing improper fraction to a mixed number and writing mixed number as a decimal. Okay? Writing mixed numbers as decimals. Okay, so to write improper fraction into a mixed number, you just simply do this. So for example, 12 over 5. Okay, you can just divide 12 divide 5 is 10, right? But how do you make 10? That's times 2. So minus, that's 2. Remainder 2. So the 2 here is your whole number. The remainder is the numerator, and copy 5 there. So you have the mixed number. Okay? So you have the mixed number. By the way, you have to, if the mixed number is not simplified, you have to simplify it. Let's find another example. Okay, let's say number 2 is 18 over 4. Okay, so how do you change this into mixed number? Divide, right? 18 divided by 4, that is 4 is 16. How do you make 16? Times 4. So 16, that's minus 2, remainder 2. So the answer is 4, 2, 4. You see, 2, 4 can still be simplified. So find the GCF of 2 and 4, which is 2. So divide 2, you'll get, copy the 4 there. 2 divided 2 is 1 and 4 divided 2 is 2. So this is your answer. Okay? Now, let's do the writing mixed numbers as decimals. Okay? If you remember our lesson before, you can actually do writing mixed numbers as decimal as fast as you can. Okay? For example, let's say that one, 4 1/2, 4 1/2. Okay? You can just simply write this as 4.5 because 1/2 is 0.5. How? You just divide 1, divide 2, you have to add 0. So that's 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And that's 10. 0. You see? We just copy 4, add this decimal, and you have the answer. Alright. Another example. So let's say number 2. 3, 6, 10. Okay, so now we discussed this already. If a number is divided by 10 or 100, you just move the decimal to the left depending on the number. In this case, there's only 1 0. So you just move the decimal to the left 1 time. Okay? So this means that this is 3.6. Okay? If you want to solve, let's solve. 6 divided by 10, that is add 0. 0.60 divided by 10 is 6. And 60, 0, you see? Same. Okay? Let's find another example, harder one. 3, maybe this is the last. Okay, let's say 5 and 2, 9. Okay, so 5 and 2, 9. So what will you do? You just write 5 immediately so that you will not get distracted by that number. So 2, 9 is your problem. 2 divided by 9, that is at 0, that's 20, 0 point. 20 divided by 9 is 2, 18, 2. At 0, that's 2 again. So it's repeating. Okay, it's a repeating decimal. So you just write 5.2 with a bar notation. It means it's repeated. Okay, so that's how you make decimals from mixed number. One more thing, I forgot. Another one is writing decimals to mixed number in simplest form. Okay, so for example, 0.4. Okay, how do you make it into a mixed number or fraction? So that's 10. 4 is in the 10th place, so this is over 4 over 10 because 4 is in the 10th place. That means 4/10. Okay, 4/10. Remember the places. Then simplify. So the GCF is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. This is 2 over 5. Okay, so that's the final answer. Next, let's have harder one. Let's say 8.06. Whoa! So there are 2 digits after the decimal. So what's the highest digit place here? What is the highest value? Tens, and the lowest is hundreds. So never mind that 8 there. You just write it immediately. Then write 6. What's the value of 6? Hundreds. 100. So 6 hundredths. Simplify. That is, GCF is 6 and 10 and 100 is 2. So divide 2. This is 3. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay, so that's how you make mixed number or fraction from decimals. That's all, and very easy. Okay, have a good day and God bless.